Security person, security straight about this original position and keep your windows edge fully open. All electronic devices, including mobile phones, must be switched off or in flight mode. Smoking in any form, including vaping e-cigarettes, are strictly prohibited. For safety reasons, guests carrying e-cigarettes on board are required to switch them off and ensure the batteries are removed and kept safely throughout the flight. Please be informed that charging of e-cigarettes is strictly prohibited on board takeoff. Thank you and have a nice flight.
Assalamualaikum, selamat siang para tamu RS yang terhormat. Di sini pimpinan penerbangan berbicara dari kokpit. Nama saya Doni Triaviantoni dan bersama dengan saya di kokpit Kapten Antoni Makatita.